Hello guys and welcome. I have a quick video here for you guys. Behind me on my table is a square custom made from me from Mac Industries. Their link to their Instagram should be here or here. Yeah, so they made a square for me. If you've seen my videos, you know that I use them quite a lot. I use it to level up my 45, so when I fabricate the pieces of pipe on the table, I have a solid 45 angle that I can work from without having to put it into vices and all of the longness that comes with that. So I'm going to quickly tack it together and then show you lot how I use it. Basically, this here is what it is. My two corner pieces, the front part and the base. Now I got my one flat packed. You can get them pre-made. You can also get them custom made to any shape or design as you want. So for here, for example, I didn't want any holes in it. So these here work in conjunction with welding tables, but I'm gonna use my one just as a custom made engineered square rather than me making my own square, because you don't really make your own squares. You always buy them properly done. Guys, would you look at that? By no means did I put this together in any way to guarantee success, yet it's come out perfect. It's come out perfect. I was happy if there was any slight tolerance because I can work around it, but this here is absolutely perfect. And if you're wondering where the footage comes from, I got my drone up in the air. I didn't do the best of tacks on this side, but the other side, they're in there nicely. Now I can still use this on a welding table if I had one, but I can't afford one at the moment. Absolutely impressed like crazy with this. I was getting a bit worried when I was putting it together, thinking, oh no, should I have just got them to fabricate it, but it's come out a dream. So why do I have this? I'll show you why. So here's a perfect example of what I would use this for. So I've got my 45. I know now by it being locked in on the back that the front of it is square, and then I can say, for example, put an elbow sticking upwards here. I could put another piece of pipe. That's one example of how you can use it. The other one is an elbow like here, and then another one sticking up on top. It's just a perfect way of making sure that your fittings are on square. Use it both ways if I like. But the purpose of me getting it was I was normally making my own, and then I reached out to Mac Industries on Instagram, and then we came up with this design here, and then within a week I had it sent over to me, and I'm loving it. I'm excited to use this now. So this was just a brief little demonstration and tacking together of this square I've got. Now, if you want one, reach out to Mac Industries. I'll put a link, like I said, in the description of their Instagram. Let them know I sent you. I'm not getting anything for it. I just want to share to you guys the tools and equipment that I use. So with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.